Hey guys, so today I am sharing with you a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day using affordable makeup. And I also am testing a couple new drugstore products in this video today, so I'm really excited to share it with you. If you're new here dropping by, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial using affordable makeup. Don't forget to subscribe if you love watching makeup, beauty, and fashion videos. If you guys want to hear my thoughts on these products and everything that I used to create this look, just keep watching. So I don't have a primer, but I do have a new foundation that I wanted to test out, and it is the Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation, and I got the shade 200 Nude Beige. How should I do this? I don't know how this is going to apply. So this is supposed to be a luminous natural skin finish with a light to medium coverage, and it's supposed to be a long wearing foundation. Digital blue light filter. What? You also get 1 fluid ounce. I have never tried a Milani foundation, so we will see. I want to use my BoxyCharm brush because this is my favorite way to apply foundations. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. It's not working. Oh, there we go. And then let's try the brush. That is a very, very natural coverage. But I'm going to go ahead and build this up a little bit more because I do want some more coverage. I'm going to try with the sponge next. I definitely prefer it with the brush. If you just like a sheer coverage, you probably would really like this foundation. I definitely think that this gave me a nice natural finish. I like the look of it, so I'm gonna keep going. I put 2 layers of this on, and this is the coverage that I got. I'm gonna build up the coverage a little bit more. I'm using my CATRICE Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I'm just going to set everything in place with my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Typically I would just use this around my eyes, but I'm putting it all over my face today because I don't have a setting powder from an affordable brand right now, so I definitely need to be looking into that. Shame on me. I'm going to go in with my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to use a big old fat brush. This is actually a fan brush, a large fan brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks. I really am liking this foundation right now. It's growing on me. I think you would really like this if you enjoy everyday natural makeup. I mean, it covered a decent amount, but it still is my skin. At the moment, I don't have an affordable pencil eyebrow product that I truly love right now, so I'm gonna go do my eyebrows really quick using my go-to Benefit Brow pomade, and I will be right back. Eyebrows done, and I have been going around my house and looking at this foundation in natural lighting, in my mirrors in the bathroom, in my room mirror, and I really like this foundation. I'm not one to really go for a natural coverage foundation, but I really, really like this. I'm gonna go for a really, really neutral blush. I'm using this PIXI by Petra Beach Rose. It almost blends right into my foundation, but I do want my blush to be very subtle in this look because the lip color is going to be what really makes the look pop. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes that I have been going back and forth between, and it is this Makeup Revolution palette. This is only a $7 palette, and it has lots of pink shades in there that I think we can really use for today's look. And then we also have this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. But I think I'm going to go ahead and go for the Makeup Revolution because this is just so much more affordable, and a lot of you have been asking for affordable eyeshadow palettes. These pink shades are just so Valentine's appropriate. You do definitely have to work with these eyeshadows, but you can create some really pretty looks with this. I'm going to start with this shade right here. It's a very, very light cream color, and I'm just going to use that to start the look. I I want this to be very pink, so I am going to go into this shade next. I think this is a really pretty soft pink to add to the look, so I'm going to go in and just deepen that outer corner a little bit. I want to bring out the pink even more, so I'm going to go a little bit darker and just focus on the very tippy, the very outer edge. So now I feel like my outer edges are nice and intensified. I'm just gonna blend everything out. Square brush, go into this deep shade, deep pink. I'm gonna line my lower lash line. Blending everything, making sure everything is airbrushed. I'm going to use this shade. It's a really pretty pastel pink, and I want that lighter, softer pink to be in the inner corner. And this one you really have to work with a little bit, but once you have it on, it is pretty. It's going to keep working with it. Really bring out that soft pink. I like how that looks. I'm going to really make my inner corner pop, and I think this pink will be perfect for that. Might even drag this onto my eyes just a little bit. There we go. That's the light I was looking for. Just need a little bit of Wet n Wild highlighter in your life. For eyeliner, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner. I'm really liking how this is turning out. I think it's turning out really pretty. So for mascara, I am going to use my ColourPop BFF mascara. I have not used this in such a long time. This is probably dried out, but we will see how this goes. I really do love this mascara. In fact, I am going to be repurchasing a new one, and they have so many crazy shades, I believe. And I think they have a brown shade in this mascara, and I'm totally going to get it. I've just realized how much I still love this mascara. I am completely loving how this look is turning out, and this is all with affordable products. I love it. I'm going to take this Morphe brush and dip into this Wet n Wild highlighter again. And voila. So pretty. I do want to go ahead and put falsies on because this is a little bit more of a glamorous look. Valentine's Day, I will certainly be wearing these accents. I love these because you don't have to use glue. You just use this magnetic eyeliner. Put it on top. I've put 2 coats of this magnetic eyeliner on, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with these lashes. So I've got one lash right here. Boom. Love it. These are just so much more simple than putting like eyelashes on. Just make sure that you get the eyeliner really thick because that is what holds them on. So you don't have to be shy with the eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with this lip color from Milani. This is such a beautiful deep purple, but it's not too much. I feel like this was the perfect romantic lip color, and I do love purples. Purples are definitely my color, but I know people go more for a pink on Valentine's Day, but I love the deep purples. I think they're so romantic. So this is the lip color I chose. Oh my goodness, this has a scent. This tastes really good. I mean, I wouldn't recommend eating it, but this looks identical to my Beauty Bakery lipstick. I really like how this turned out. I think it's definitely more of a statement, and you could always tone down the lip color and just wear a pretty pink color. You don't have to wear this deep color. It's definitely something that I would go for. But if you like softer lip colors, they had some really pretty ones from Milani at Ulta. I really like how this eyeshadow palette turned out with my Wet n Wild highlighter as an inner corner highlight. I think that it just made the look. So for drugstore makeup, I think this is a really pretty Valentine's Day makeup look. I am so in love with this foundation right now. It's not even breaking up around my nose. Every foundation breaks up around my nose. How is it not breaking up? I'm so amazed right now. And this was a $13 foundation. So impressed. Let me know if you guys end up trying this look out and try using this palette. You do have to work with it and the colors will fade a little bit, but I love this eye look. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video.